Sarah, have you seen my phone?
I am cooking right now. Why are you asking me?
Because I cannot find it anywhere.
You always lose your things.
I checked the bedroom and living room.
Then check your brain, too.
Very funny. I'm serious.
I'm serious, too. You never keep things properly.
Maybe I left it here in the kitchen.
This is a kitchen, not your phone shop.
Please help me. I really need it.
I'm cutting vegetables, can't you see?
I can see, but I need my phone.
And I need peace.
Why are you angry today?
Because you always disturb me while I cook.
I only asked one question.
One question becomes 10 questions.
I am not doing anything wrong.
Really? Yesterday you forgot your wallet.
That was only one time.
No, that was one of many times.
Okay. Don't get angry.
Then stop asking me every second.
Maybe my phone is on the table.
Then go and look there.
I already checked.
Then check again.
Why are you talking like this?
Because I am busy.
You don't have to be rude.
And you don't have to lose your phone every week.
I only need a little help.
Help yourself first.
Fine, I will search alone.
Good idea.
Wait, maybe I left it in the car.
Then go to the car.
It is too hot outside. You are not helping me at all.
I am helping this food, not you.
Wow, that hurts.
I don't have time for drama.
Actually, I wanted to ask something else.
What now?
I was thinking maybe we can go shopping today.
Shopping? Really?
Yes, you said you wanted new dresses.
Really? You remember that?
Of course, I listened to you.
Oh my God, you're so sweet.
We can go after lunch.
That sounds nice. I'll be ready.
So, are you still angry?
Maybe a little, but I'm happy now.
That changed quickly.
Shopping changes everything.
Now you are smiling.
Because you finally said something useful.
So, can you help me find my phone now?
Wait, is that your phone in your pocket?
Oh, no. Yes, it is.
You made me angry for nothing.
But now you are happy, only because of shopping. Sarah, what are you making for breakfast today?
I want to make something special.
Special? That sounds interesting.
Yes, I feel like cooking a nice meal today.
What about lunch?
I'm planning lunch too.
Wow, you are working very hard.
I just want everything to taste good.
Can I help you in the kitchen?
That is kind, but you can relax.
Are you sure?
Yes, I can manage.
I can cut vegetables for you.
Thank you, but I already finished most of it.
Maybe I can wash the dishes?
No, you should rest.
I don't want you to do everything alone.
It is okay. I enjoy cooking.
You're being very sweet today.
Maybe because I'm in a good mood.
So, what are you making?
Your favorite breakfast.
Really?
Yes, and your favorite lunch, too.
That sounds amazing. Just give me 30 minutes.
30 minutes? That's fast.
I know what I'm doing.
I believe you.
Good. Now go and sit down.
You're giving me orders again.
Only because I care.
Okay, I will relax. That is better. I will go to the living room then.
Wait a second. Take this coffee.
This is for me?
Yes. Drink it while you relax.
Thank you, Joan.
You're welcome.
You were very caring today.
Maybe I like seeing you happy.
Then I'm very happy right now.
Good. Now let me finish cooking.
I will wait patiently and no more questions for 10 minutes. Deal. This coffee smells really good. Sarah always makes the best coffee. I should relax for a few minutes. Oh, someone is calling me. Hello?
Hi, Maya. How are you?
I am good. Is Sarah nearby?
Yes, she's in the kitchen.
I tried calling her many times.
Really?
Yes, but she's not answering her phone.
She's busy cooking.
Can you please give the phone to her?
Sure. Wait a moment. Thank you. Sarah, your friend Maya is calling.
Maya?
Yes, she said you were not answering your phone.
Oh no, I forgot to check my phone.
She called me because she wanted to talk to you.
Really?
Give me the phone.
Here, take it.
Thank you. She sounds like she really wants to talk.
Maybe something important happened.
Talk to her. I will wait here.
Okay. Hello? Hi, Maya. Sorry, I was cooking. I guessed that. Why did you call me? I wanted to tell you something surprise. Tell me, I'm curious.
This breakfast smells amazing.
I'm happy you like it.
You worked very hard this morning.
I wanted everything to be special.
Thank you for making my favorite breakfast.
You're welcome.
This tastes really good.
I'm glad you enjoy it.
So, why did Maya call you?
She wanted to tell me something important.
What happened?
She is coming to our home today.
Really?
Yes, she has an important meeting in the city.
That sounds nice.
She may stay here for 2 or 3 days.
That will be fun.
I also think so.
We should welcome her properly.
Yes, we can prepare the guest room.
We can also cook something special for dinner.
Good idea.
Maya will feel comfortable here.
She always enjoys staying with us.
We should make her feel at home.
Of course.
Maybe we can take her around the city too.
She would love that.
And when she goes back, we can give her a gift.
That is a wonderful idea.
Maybe something to remember this trip.
Yes, something meaningful.
I think she will be very happy.
I'm excited to see her.
Me too.
We should start planning everything.
First, let me finish this breakfast.
Good idea.
Then we can prepare for Maya's arrival.
Perfect.